Hello yogis, and welcome to the Yoga TX YouTube channel. It's great to have you here. My name is Jill Enticknap, the lead trainer and founder of Yogi Institute, an online yoga school and studio. I wanted to make you a class that would benefit your immune system. So for today's practice, you're going to need a tennis ball and your yoga mat. You might want a blanket to go underneath your seat, as we will be seated for today's practice. So let's go ahead and get started. Just place that tennis ball off to the side. This is Ruby here. She loves yoga too. That's one thing I love about practicing at home, is that we can practice with our fur creatures or our children or in our own space. All right, so let's go ahead and ground down into the sit bones and get nice and tall through the crown of the head, closing down the eyes and grounding down. Slowing the mind, stilling the body, and centering ourselves in on our breath. Start to feel the inhale expand and the exhale release. Feel into that natural rise and fall of breath within the body. Take a moment to connect to gratitude for each breath, as breath is the life force within our bodies. As you inhale, maybe you imagine that the breath is massaging the spine downward on the inhale and massaging it back up through the exhale. Deep inhale to the belly, fill the lungs, fully expand and pause, and open mouth exhale, breathe it out, let it go. And again, deep breath in and full breath out. Let's tuck the chin to the chest, draw the shoulders back. Feel that length through the neck. So when we think about our immune system, we're thinking about our lymph and our lymph nodes, and they mainly exist in the body in the neck, armpits, and groin. Slowly, gently roll right ear, right shoulder, left ear, left shoulder. And the interesting thing about lymph is it doesn't actually have a pump. And so in order to release lymph from our lymph nodes, we need to pressurize. And that's what we're going to use movement, engagement, and the tennis ball for. Shift the head through center. Let's inhale, lift the nose to the ceiling, open through the throat. Really lift the chin up. And exhale, tuck the chin to the chest and lengthen the crown forward. 2 more. Inhale, lift it up. And exhale, tuck it in. 1 more. Inhale, lift it up. And exhale, tuck it in. Bring the head through center, gaze to the right. Lift the gaze up to the ceiling. And then tuck the chin to the chest as you gaze down to the floor. Come back through center, head through center, inhale. Exhale, gaze to the left. Lift the gaze up, down, tuck the chin. Inhale, back through center. Let's inhale, shoulders to ears, and exhale, roll them back and down. 2 more. Inhale, lift, and exhale, lower. Inhale, lift, and exhale, lower, lower, lower down. Let's grab our tennis ball, and we're going to focus on the front side of the neck, So use that tennis ball. Let's actually start up where the ear and the jaw meet, and just take a moment to bring some circles into that area. Now, if you are fighting a cold or anything, you might feel a lot of tension as we go through this practice. Let's start to shift the tennis ball down the front side of the neck. Just think about when you're sick and you get swollen lymph nodes. Now, you might not want to do this if they're really swollen, because it might be too uncomfortable, too painful. And they're swollen because they're fighting disease or invaders, you could say. But just really take a moment to roll the tennis ball along the front line of the neck. And then let's take that tennis ball up underneath the jaw and do a couple rolls from the ear to the chin. And then roll the tennis ball down to the collarbone and roll from the mid part of the chest, the sternum, out toward the outer part of the collarbone. And let's switch it out. So start up by the ear and the jaw connection. This is also really good for anyone who has TMJ, who has that, grinds their teeth, who has a lot of tension through the jaw, and then start to shift down. You decide how much pressure, let your body guide you, be sensitive, be aware. And let's shift from the ear down to the chin underneath, along that jawline. And then let's shift from the center of the collarbone out to the outside edge and back down. So good. Bring it through center. Take a moment, take any kind of organic movement. It might be rolling through the shoulders, shifting through the neck, maybe doing a few neck rolls. That might feel really good. And come through center. Let's inhale, sweep the arms up overhead, and exhale, cactus out the arms. Inhale, extend, exhale, cactus. Rapid. Let the hands come onto the shoulders. Inhale to the left. Exhale to the right. Inhale to the left. Exhale to the right. Powerful breath. Pause at center. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale, center. Bring the soles of the feet together, the knees out wide, coming into that butterfly pose. Take a moment, flap out the butterfly. Again, here we're getting that groin area. And inhale, arms up. Exhale, cactus of the arms and twist left. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist right. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist left. Inhale, center, exhale, twist right. One more time. Inhale, center, exhale, twist left. Inhale, center, exhale, twist right. From here, inhale, center, exhale, elbows together. Inhale, open. Exhale, really press, 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 press. Slow and controlled. And inhale, open. And exhale, press, 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 press. Let's pause, drawing the elbows together, engaging the fingers. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, arms sweep up. Palms through heart center. Exhale. Inhale, arms sweep up. Exhale, palms through heart center. One more. Inhale, sweep up, and exhale through heart center. Let's take the left leg and sweep it underneath the right, bringing the right foot down to the mat, crossing out the legs. Bring the hands onto the knee. Inhale, lengthen, and exhale, hinge forward. Inhale through center. Plant the hands behind you, lean back, unravel the legs, and inhale, lift, hands to the knee, exhale, hinge forward. Bring it back through center. Let's send both legs out in front of us. Out in front, reach forward, and slow and controlled, lower down to the back. Cactus out the arms. Draw the knees to the chest. And slow and controlled, drop both knees over to the left as you gaze to the right. 3 deep breaths. Bring it back through center. Inhale. Exhale, drop the knees to the left and gaze to the right. So even if you're not feeling under the weather, this is very preventative as well. So just really good to keep your immune system supported and healthy. And let's bring those knees back through center. Send the legs straight up. Flip your palms, palm facing down by your side. Flex your toes to your face, and let's do some circles with the heels on the ceiling for 3, 2, 1. Change direction. Circles on the ceiling with the heels for 3, 2, and 1. Tuck your chin to your chest. Flex your toes to your face. Slow and controlled, lower the heels down for 5, 4, 3. Let's hover on 2. Lift the upper back up. Reach for the feet for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let the legs come down. Hands come down. Take a deep breath in. And full breath out. Let yourself settle into the mat beneath you. Give yourself full permission to rest and relax here. Focus on your breath, feeling the inhale expand and the exhale release. Slowly, gently rock your head from side to side. See if you can bring your chin near your shoulder. Bring it through center. Draw your knees to your chest and bring your forehead to your knees, coming into a tiny ball. Grab the backs of your knees, rock yourself up into your seated position. Ground down into your sit bones, get nice and tall through the crown. Take a deep breath in. Imagine the breath massaging the spine on the way down. And as you exhale, massaging it on the way up. And again, deep breath in. And exhale, release. In yoga, we use a word called namaste, and it means that the light in me sees the light in you. And I love to close out my practice with that, honoring anyone and everyone who is on their mat, knowing that we each have a light inside of us, and whenever you're on your mat, that light is getting brighter. Thanks for being here, showing up for you. If you enjoyed this, please leave a comment, please leave a like, please share it with those you love. The light, the love, the wisdom in me sees, honors, reflects, and encourages the light, the love, the wisdom in you. Namaste. Again, my name is Jill Enticknap, lead trainer of Yogi Institute, an online yoga school and studio. If you want to check me out, please feel free to go to my website. I hope to see you on your mats soon. Let your light be your guide.